Hi, and welcome back to Michael's Fix-It List. Today I want to demonstrate how to replace a battery on a Nissan Key fob. My battery is dead and I have to replace it. There's this latch here. This takes out your key. Key comes out right here. There's some tabs. You stick your little screwdriver into it. Little twist. Other side, little twist. And you pop it open slowly. There's your battery. Pop the battery out. Simply get a new battery. Oops. Put it in straight. Once the battery's back in, you simply put the pieces back together. Snap at the bottom, snap on the sides, snap it together, put the key back in, and you're done. That's it.